The program at Centennial has been around as long as the college has. Their reputation throughout the industry has been nothing but perfect. I've managed to work with a lot of Centennial College graduates and found that they were very, very well trained. I wanted to become part of that team that was providing those excellent apprentices to the industry.
It's a great balance between theory and practical work. We have the opportunity to go into the labs and actually do all the hands-on work that we would be doing out in the field. Listening to the teachers and their personal experiences, it's definitely helping guide us into what we might want to pursue for ourselves.
It's not like you're sitting in a room full of 500 students. You know, there's 30, 40 kids, and it's intimate enough that people aren't afraid to speak and interact with each other, and the teachers interact with us.
I think Centennial is set apart from other colleges in really the people that we have here, the instructors, the professors, faculty that are here that have a wealth of knowledge from industry. We have excellent facilities, new training aids, new aircraft for training on that just is not available anywhere else right now.
The facility we have here at Downsview now is amongst the best in the country. We have state-of-the-art, actually next generation equipment that nobody else in the world has, that the students will get to work on.
Centennial College is really well connected to all of the local areas of industry because most of the staff have a pretty diverse background of employment. They know what those work environments are like, and they can tell us what to expect from those environments.
Centennial is our largest partnership right now when it comes to the colleges, so it's the right place to be. If I was to recommend anything for the students at Centennial is to go through the co-op. And the reason is you get to learn at Centennial what you need to learn to be successful in aircraft maintenance. But by coming and doing the co-op program, we take you through every step from the interior of the aircraft right to servicing to actually changing an engine. So when you come out, you'll be the most wanted student that you can possibly be.